Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We are doing the cantaloupe pop test with the 223 Hornady Vmax. These are 55 grain, and I will read the box for y'all for a second. There, y'all can read along. That is 3,240 feet per second, and I'll get the poundage later. That's all the reading we're going to do today. But there you go, there's the back of the box as well. Vmax right there. And now I'm going to do the cantaloupe pop test. It's our 2D printing style. We got the board in front of the cantaloupe. Hits in, expands in the cantaloupe, and we get a print of the hole coming out on the back side. So we'll take a look and see how that goes. Alright, here we go from the hot seat. We're going to do the cantaloupe pop test, which is one of our forms of 2D printing, which is a Bohemian Hunting Club original, maybe, probably not. Brought to you by Smoky Oak, developers there, makers of fine products. Alright, here we go. Looks like we got a good. I like what it did to that cantaloupe. Blew out the back of it. Looks like we got a good print going on. Alright, here we go. Get it back to the table. Here's the results of the cantaloupe pop test with the 223 Hornady Vmax Farming Express. We got our, this is the back side, so the bullet came in going out this way. There's that hole, had the cantaloupe. This is the exit coming out. So the boards would have been stacked up on top like that. If y'all don't believe me, there is all the cantaloupe carnage for y'all. So that's the hole. We printed it out, got a good print. This is what's left of the bullet. I got out of the jug, have the pieces. If y'all are interested, look at what we got here. We got a scale. Oh my God. Alright, we are in grains. Let's just take a look. Got a cap, and it is sitting at 54.2. No, 54. Yeah, 54. 54.2, 54, somewhere in there. So let's just see what we got left of the bullet. We got 68.2. So just 68. So just keep it 54 and 68. That's 14 left out of a 55 grain bullet. So there ain't a whole lot left. It basically turned to powder in a nutshell. But well, millimeters. Yay. We're in America. We are in America. 0.21. 0.33 on the expansion on the hole. So there you go. There is our cantaloupe pop test 2D printing from Bohemian Hunting Club. Bohemian. Anyway, there you are, and that is the results. And if I needed to bring in the highly advanced, sophisticated measuring device, if it was too close to measure with the calipers, we have Wisconsin. So there you are.